think that's what's making it not work. This ribbon. But then I have to figure out where it plugs in. What it plugs into. This looks like.
Yo, you don't have a circuit tester. How are you gonna find out what's broken? How are you
Because
gonna
I
find
can
out which
see what
circuit?
came out.
Huh?
I can tell this is what came out.
Oh, someone went in there already?
A ribbon came out. No, it's very obvious this ribbon came out. I can tell where it goes here. But on this one, let me see the one. I cannot figure out where it goes. Come closer a little bit more.
Okay.
It looks like it goes in there, right? But this is where the pins are, so it should probably be facing down.
Do you have scrap paper or like anything? Like junk? Can you use that?
Yeah.
Aha.
Yeah, it's just like copyright stuff.
Yeah, you can use it.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah, what's up with you loading stuff on my page for me, man? Where'd you go?
Behind me.
Yeah, how?
What?
What's up with you loading stuff on my page?
What page?
The website.
What
Last time
website?
you're like, yeah, I'm down. I'll do that.
Oh yeah, okay. I'm writing up a website, not right now, but I'm hoping this fontafrica.org